lovely viewers, welcome once again to Ama's Corner. It's your girl Nana Ama Akumah. On popular request, I'm going to show you how to make baby's food. Baby's food from 6 months plus. I bet you don't want to miss this video. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. So today I'm going to show you 2 recipes, one breakfast and one fruit puree. So our 2 recipes today, I have apple and zucchini for the fruit puree, and I have oatmeal and apple for the breakfast. So first I'm going to cut my zucchini into smaller pieces, then I'll put it in a saucepan. We are going to boil them. So now I'm going to peel off the skin of the apple. Now I'm going to cut them into pieces. Then I'll add it to the zucchini. You have to make sure you take off the seed. Now I'm going to add water to it. Then we turn off the heat. So it's going to be on fire for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, so it's very soft before we can take it off. So guys, it has been cooking for 10 minutes now. We're going to check if our apple and zucchini is cooked. So I'm going to use this. Yep, so now I'm going to blend everything together. You don't need to add water or anything, okay? Okay, so this is going to be the right texture that you're going to need. Very smooth. Okay, so guys, our fruit puree is done. That was very easy. You can see it's really smooth. You just have to pour them into your containers, and you can leave it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, but you can put it in the freezer for more than 4 months. Okay, and it will still taste fresh. So now it goes into my 2 containers. So we're going to put this aside, then we start with our breakfast puree. So guys, on our second recipe, we are going to cook the oatmeal for 2 to 5 minutes. Then we can do our breakfast puree. I'm going to add water to it. And we put on the heat. So our oat has been cooking for almost 5 minutes now. Whilst the oat was on fire, I was cutting our apple into smaller pieces. At this point, I'm going to take the oat off the fire. Then we blend both the apple and the oat together. But before that, I'm going to introduce to you my milk. I'm going to use milk to blend these 2 together. You can use your formula, you can use your breast milk. It's up to you and it's up to what the child is taking. So at this point, I'm going to use my cow's milk to do my blending, okay? So I'm going to put my apple first. It wasn't cooked, it's fine, okay? Then I will add my oats to it. So guys, now I'm going to add my milk to my oat and the apple. So guys, you're gonna add more milk as I'm blending it, okay? So guys, I'm still gonna add more milk to it. You shake it. And we put it on the blender again. So guys, everything is blended properly. I'm just going to open it to show you the texture that you need to know. So guys, this is our oatmeal, that's the breakfast, and this is our fruit puree. So the reason for adding the apple in both meals is just to give it a sweet taste for the kids to love it, okay? Thank you guys for watching today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.